The sum of the second term and the seventh term of an arithmetic progression is 30. If its 15th term is one less than twice of its 8th term, find the arithmetic progression. All right. Now, understand, if I want to find the arithmetic progression, I need to find the first term and the common difference. That means I want to find the value of a and the value of d. Because once I have the value of a and d, I can successively keep adding the common difference to get the next terms, right? So let's just remind ourselves again before we start the formula for the general term of an arithmetic progression, right? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll be using this formula in the sum to basically solve it, right? So what we've been given here, the sum of the second term and the seventh term of an AP is 30. So they have told us that the second term, which will be denoted by T2, plus the seventh term, which we can denote by T7, is equal to 30, right? The sum, so we add the two terms. Now let's represent these T2 and T7 in terms of A and D, because those are the parameters that we need to find anyways. So T2 can be written as A plus D, remember, n minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And T7 can be written as A plus, this is T2, and T7 can be written as A plus 6D, right? 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is equal to 30. If I simplify or add all these back, so A plus A becomes 2A, D plus 6D becomes 7D, so 2A plus 7D is equal to 30. This here is my first equation, right? Let's try to get the second equation as well. So what they've told us here is the 15th term is one less than twice of its 8th term. Okay, so let's see. So we're talking about the 15th term, so that is T15, right? And what about it? It is one less than twice the 8th term. So one less means I have to subtract 1, but from which value? Twice of the 8th term. So twice of the 8th terms is 2 into T8, right? So T15 is equal to 2 times T8 minus 1. 15th term is one less than twice of the 8th term. So writing all of these now in terms of A and D, T15 can be written as A plus 14D. 2 into T8 is A plus 7D minus 1. All right. Now, opening up the brackets on the right hand side. So I have A plus 14D is equal to 2A plus 14D minus 1. Oh, that's nice. So 14D and 14D from both the sides of the equation can get cancelled. If I rearrange the terms, take the 2A terms together, or rather if I just rearrange this, I can get the value. So 2A minus A makes it A, and minus 1 to the other side makes it plus 1. So if I solve this equation, I get A is equal to 1, right? So I have effectively got the value of the first term already. So this is my second equation, suppose, right? So I know A is equal to 1. What I'll do is I'll substitute A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 in the first equation, right? So 2A plus 7D is equal to 30. So that can be written as 2 into A can be now written as 1 plus 7D plus 7D is equal to 30, right? Now let's solve this and get the value of D as well. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 7D is equal to 30. Plus 2 on this side, take it to the other side, becomes minus. Doesn't look that good. Take it to the other side, it becomes minus. So 7D is equal to 30 minus 2, which is 28. 7 multiplication on the other side becomes division. So 28 upon 7 gives me the value of D as 4. So I have the value of A, I have the value of D. Right now, all I need to do to find the arithmetic progression is find the successive terms, and let's just write the first 4 terms, right? So I know A is equal to 1. Now, therefore, I can say the second term, which is A plus D, is equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5. The third term, which is A plus 2D, which is equal to 1 plus 2 into 4, which is 9. The fourth term is A plus 3D, which is 1 plus 3 in, sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, sorry. The fourth term, which is 1 plus 3d, which is 3 into 4, is 13, right? And so on. I just need to keep adding 4 to every successive term to get the next successive term, right? So that's my AP. The first term is 1, then we have 5, 9, 13, and so on. So find the AP is the question. So I can say, therefore, the required arithmetic progression is 1, 5, 9, 13. Well, if I had to write one more, it would be 17, and so on, right? With the first term as 1 and the common difference as 4. This is my final answer.